65,000 years ago, the world looked nothing like today. India was not a country, it was a landscape, untamed, unmapped, alive with possibilities. Who were the first humans in India? The first humans to enter India came from Africa. साइंटिस्ट ने इसे कहा था कि ये आउट ऑफ अफ्रीका माइग्रेशन है. A small group, perhaps just few hundred people, crossed through what is now Arabian Peninsula and entered the Indian subcontinent through its northwest corridor, जो है कि अभी ईरान, इराक एरिया. अगर हम सोच के रखें तो वो कोई प्रिमिटिव क्रीचर्स नहीं थे. They were fully modern humans, Homo sapiens. They made tool from stone. They understand fire. They communicate through language which we don't know. They buried their dead. They feel grief, love, curiosity. They were us just 65,000 years earlier. The earlier evidence of human presence in India comes from the tools, not from the bones. Stone tools found across India in Tamil Nadu, in Thar Desert, along ancient riverbeds tell us these people were here. They were skilled and they were survivors. They settled near rivers. Water was the life. Ancient Narmada, Godavari, Son Nadi, these were the highways of prehistoric India. Follow the water and you found the people. Archaeologists have found Stone Age settlements along almost every major Indian river system. These were not random wanderers. They were intelligent, strategic, adaptive. But here is what is fascinating. The first Indians were not one group. Over thousands of years, multiple wave of migration entered the subcontinent from Africa, later from Central Asia, later still from Southeast Asia. India was never one people, it was always a confluence. How do we know all about this? Because something ancient people left behind, जो कि शायद वो कभी सोचा नहीं था कि वो छोड़ के जाएंगे, their DNA. Modern genetic research, particularly the work of scholar Tony Joseph in his book Early Indians, has reconstructed these migration with remarkable precision. Your blood carries the entire history inside it. But DNA is invincible. The ancient Indian also left us something we can see with our own eyes. Something जो कि बहुत ही सुंदर है, बहुत ही human है, बहुत ही alive है. That's standing before us. 65,000 years later, you feel, you know these people. They left us their art and it is waiting for us on the walls of a cave called Bhimbetka. In the next part, we go inside the cave and what we find there will change how you see India forever.